Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter the data for the Pythagorean triples investigation using your GDC. Okay, so first things first, let's go over to our GDC, go into our list function and clear out that data in our list. So here we are on the home screen. We press Stat and we press 1 or Enter to enter the Edit function. Now, in list 1 I've already entered the n values and I entered those. These are the n values, by the way, from the spreadsheet investigation. Those were the values you put in the first column. I've already entered those just by pressing 1, Enter, 2, Enter, etc. Into list 2, I'm just going to clear it off so you can see how I entered it. So I press Clear, Enter, and again I'm going to highlight the list title. I'm going to enter in here 2n plus 1. Remember that L1 contains our n values, so I'm actually going to type in 2L1 plus 1. 2L1, second function 1 to get L1, plus 1, press Enter, and you can see we've got all of the values from L1 have been doubled and 1 has been added to give the value corresponding position of list 2. List 3, again we're going to clear that off so you can see how we enter it. Highlight the list title. We're going to enter 2n squared plus 2n, which is effectively 2l1 squared plus 2l1. So highlight the list title, 2l1 squared, there's a squared button, plus 2l1, second function 1 for L1. Good, okay. Now L4 is going to clear off the values for there. So in here I'm going to put the values for C in my triple. So L2 is A, L3 is B, L4 is going to be C. And if we look at the formulae, we can see that the formulae for C values is exactly the same as the formula for B values, except with just a 1 on the end, add 1. So in order to enter this into L4, I'm actually just going to enter L3 plus 1. Okay, this will generate all the C values I need. Right, so we should have here Pythagorean triples if the formulae have been entered correctly. 3, 4, 5, that seems to be the first primitive Pythagorean triple, that's good. 5, 12, 13, that's the next one. Most of you will have found this in your investigations. 7, 24, 25, less likely to be found, but perhaps you did. Anyway, let's just check that these are indeed all Pythagorean triples by doing the following. Into list 5, I'm going to clear off the data first. Now, we know that L2 has A values, L3 has B values, L4 has C values. So if I do the following, L2 squared, which is A squared, plus L3 squared, which is B squared, and I'm going to minus L4 squared, which is C squared, I should get, of course, whoops, what happened there? 2 squared, okay. The reason that happened was because I didn't enter this formula into the list title, I entered it into L5-1, okay. So it won't take a general formula in there. That's because it's the first element in this file. So we'll try that again. We're just going to enter L3 plus, no we're not going to do that whole thing again, excuse me. We're going to do L2 squared, which is A squared, plus L3 squared, which is B squared. We're going to minus L4 squared, which is C squared. And we should of course get okay, that didn't quite work. What happened? Let's try again. That's what happens when you rush, you make mistakes. Here we go, one last time. L2 squared plus L3 squared, and we're going to minus L4 squared. And we're going to cross our fingers and hope that we get a list of zeros. Thus proving that these are all Pythagorean triples. Sorry for the errors, that's what happens when you rush. Enjoy.